Okay, the video I'm going to work with is basically just a few questions. The first question here, answer the following questions which deal with logic reasoning. A square has four sides. Yeah, that's true. What is the truth value of the negation? So if I negate that statement and say a square doesn't, so I'm negating that, square doesn't have four sides. Well, that's obviously false, so I'm going to click false. Let's move on to the next questions. Number 2. What is the truth value of the statement 2 plus 4 equals 6 and 9 is prime? Well, this is an and statement, and 2 plus 4 does equal 6, that's true, but 9 is not prime. Remember, in a truth table, we have true, true, false, false, true, false, true, false. These are all the possible combinations. And we have the and statement. This is the only one that can be true. The rest are false. So if we have a true and a false statement, we have our statement is false. All right. Let's go on to another one. Number 3. What is the truth value of the statement triangles have three sides or squares have three sides? Well, I know it's an or statement, and triangles do have three sides. Well, squares don't have three sides, so that's false. True or false? If we have a statement, true, true, false, false, and true, false, true, false, and this is true, true, and this is our or statement, true, false. So the only one that can be false is if they're both false. Let's check the answer. The answer is true. And it has a little statement. Under or, only one fact needs to be true. An or statement. We're talking about this. Only one fact needs to be true. I guess what I'd like to do is erase this. I'll leave that for whatever statement we're working on. We'll leave that truth table there. Okay. Number 4. What is the truth value of the statement 2 is even and 4 is odd? We have another and statement. So and 2 is even, which is true, and 4 is odd, which is false. In an and statement, it's true and the rest are false. Okay, so we have this situation right here. 2 is even and 4 is odd. That's false. Let's see what our answer is. And that's a false statement. Okay, so let's move on to a couple more before you take your quiz. All right. Number 5. What is the truth value of the statement, if dogs bark, then horses quack? Well, remember, if dogs bark, this is an if-then statement, so I'll put the if-then. And with the one arrow, what was the only one that was false? The tough one to remember, tough. So the rest are true. So if dogs bark, which is true, then horses quack, that's false. Well, it's T-F, T-F-F, tough one to remember. Let's see if we're right. False. And the little T implies F is false. That's the implies. That's what they talk about here. We're going to go to one more question, and then you guys can take your quiz. Number 6. Okay? And what is the truth value of the statement? If horses quack, then cows moo. So we have another if then. So true, false, tough one to remember, true, true. Great. So now that's what we have. And If horses quack, which is false, well, I know it's got to be a true statement. Doesn't matter if cows moo or not. So cows moo, that's true. So it is this situation. So that is a true statement. Let's see if we're correct. Great. Okay, you know what? I like this one below. Let's go to one more. Okay, whoops. I shouldn't have done that. Okay. If the sentence, if blank, then 4 plus 7 equals 3. Well, it's an if-then, so this is true. This is a one arrow, and that's true. So the whole statement is true. So the only way we can have the second part be true and this true, so remember true, false, true, whoops, true, true. In an if-then, the only way we can have it be a true statement with the second part being true is either this situation or this situation. Which of the following statements could be used to fill the blank? Well, 6 divided by 3 is 2, so that's true. And 8 divided by 4 is 3, and that's false. So actually, we could use either of the two statements. So C would be our answer. Let's see what we get. Both A and B. Remember, this could be either true or false for this to be a true statement, these two situations. Alright, we're done with the video. Sorry it was a little longer, 6 minutes, 7 minutes. Take the quiz. Okay, thanks guys.